Hello and welcome to Git Kraken. Today we're going to talk about merging. So we will merge branches to the master. So for example, we have three branches: feature branch 1, feature branch 2, and feature branch 3. And we're going to merge one of these branches to the masters, and we will see how it works. Before moving and implementing the merging feature, I would like to briefly talk about the merging feature, and I want to clear some concepts for those who are still confused how merging works. So for example, we have a master branch, we have a master branch, and we have a feature branch, for example, feature branch 1. And we have some commits. So let me change the color and let me choose. Okay, so we have commit 1, commit 2, commit 3, and now we will branch off from here and we will create a feature branch. So we will let's create a feature branch from here. So this is a feature branch, and then we have some commits here, right? And now we have 3 commits, and we want to merge it back to the master. When we merge to the master, we have a new commit at the master that will be called the merge commit. So we will have a new commit at the master, and that will be called a merge commit. So this will be a merge commit, and we will merge this into the master. So all this code is merged into the master, and this commit will be called merge commit. So this is our merge commit. One thing which we need to take care, that is the merge conflict. When we merge the code from one branch to another branch, we can have something called merge conflict. Now, what is a merge conflict? A merge conflict is that we are merging two files, file 1 and file, both are same file, right? This is file 1 and this is also file 1, and both the files have the same change on the same line. So for example, at this line there is a change, and this line this is also change means there is some code written or something is there. And for example, this file is on master branch and this file is on feature branch. Now the Git doesn't know how to merge this, which code or which line to take. Should it take both the lines, or what decision it should take? So it then says, okay, there is a merge conflict. You have something here and something here, and I don't know how to resolve it. So we'll have to resolve this. So this is how it works. In practical cases, in professional software development, where you have multiple developers, then there is a little bit difference here, and that difference is we have multiple developers working. So for example, you can have feature branch 2, feature branch 3, right? You can have feature branch 4. You can have multiple developers, and they will also be merging back to the master, right? They are multiple developers are working on multiple features or different features. So in reality, you will have this tree keeps on growing, right? It's not a constant. It's not standing at the point where you branched off, right? So it is keep on growing. So the good strategy is to first pull before merge. The standard that we use is pull from master, right? Pull from master and then merge to master. And then if you have any merge conflict, so you can resolve merge conflict. And so then you can, and when you merge back to the master, you definitely have a merge commit here, right? And this is how this all works. So that's it for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will implement the branch merging. Thank you.